This is the Banker's Box multi-pack of medium boxes, and they are awesome. They measure 14 inches by 15 inches by 18 inches. And this also has a tape-free design, very easy to assemble. All you do is fold it up, and very easy to disassemble and to reuse time and time again. They're also stackable as well and very strong and durable. They also have handles on the side, so you're able to pick it up and move it as you choose. Super simple. And as you can see right here, you can also label it with what contents is inside. You can also mark what year it is as well as what's inside it. And if you're also using this for moving, it's perfect because it even shows you what room everything belongs in. Either the kitchen, the family room, garage, basement, master bedroom, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and so forth. So this is really awesome, and it also has a tape-free assembly and a quick, easy off lid. And you just fold this lid, super simple to assemble, and you're able to open and close this so many times. Much better than the tape type of assembly, because how many times would you be able to reuse that if you had to keep taping the box over and over again? So this really is such a great box, and I really am impressed with it. It's also very durable too and sturdy. And hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.